Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. And I have an exciting package in front of me. It's from Cheaply Chic Boutique here on YouTube. Her name is Cheaply Chic. Her name is Lynette. She's just started this month doing a journaling kit, a junk journal kit, and she graciously offered to gift me one and have me present it here on this channel to show it to you guys, because I want to make sure that you guys know that these are out and that she's creating these because they're absolutely beautiful. And if you follow my channel at all, you kind of know that I'm starting to get into the junk journal thing. I recently showed you what this one looks like. I've got some process videos coming here shortly that I'm going to be showing you. So yeah, I'm really excited to jump into this package and see all of the goodies that are inside. So I haven't even opened it yet. I literally just walked in the door, sat down, put my camera on, and I said, I'm going to open it right now. So let's go ahead and get it open. I'm going to do it gently because there is paper products in here. All right, so I'm just literally going to pull the whole thing out. Okay. I have it upside down, of course. Okay. So she has it all wrapped up really cute. It's got this little note on here. It says, "Never stop dreaming," with a pretty rose. And then on the back, she has her little logo. That's really cute. I won't read it out loud, so if you do get it in the mail, you can go ahead and read the little packet, the little letter that's behind there. And so I believe this is the journal, so I'm going to wait and do that last. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up all of the goodies that came with it. So it says, join me on Instagram, and there's all her information. Let's see if I can get it in focus here for you to check that out. If you're, oh, how cute. She's got a little hashtag. I can't wait to see what you create. So she's checking her little hashtag. That's a really cute idea. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the package. Oh, look at this pretty ruffle. The first thing I pull out is this like lilac ruffle. I think it's like a lilac color. I'm not really a purple girl, but this purple is so pretty to me. And it is stitched and then it's ruffled together. That's really super cute. So I can sew that on or glue it on to a page. I mean, that's literally the first thing I pulled out, and it's just so cute. So I'm actually just going to just open this all the way up. And kind of just set these things off to the side. And she has a little tea stain paper here with a little stamp image on the side here of a flower. So just like something you could add to a journal card. She has this really beautiful rose paper that's double-sided. It's got like a wood grain distressed tag, and then the really pretty roses on the front. And there's a doily here. Okay, gosh, there's so much in here. There's so much in here. I can't even get over how much there is. So there's really beautiful doily that she has in here. That's really pretty, Lynette. Okay, so then she has a paper clip. She can never have too many of these, in my opinion. And then this really cool little brown baggie. You can definitely use this in your junk journals. So I love that idea. And then, of course, there's a bunch of ephemera in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. So I'm definitely holding on to that. Look at the cute little, this is a great idea for a junk journal. These little index cards for the little old rotary things. I had never thought of that before. That's a really good idea. And then she's got some tea-dyed tickets in here. They really look old, so I don't know if they're like new and she just tea-dyed them, so now they look old, but that's really cool. I like those. And then she has a little size tag thing. That's cute. And then a little tag with a little ribbon around it, or a little yarn. And then she has an inventory, an alteration tag. These are really cool. With the, and then she's got an index card that's been tea stained. So lined index card that has been tea stained. Love that. Okay, we'll just keep going with the paper. So she has this one piece of paper in here with all of these pretty roses. It's got like a little gate on it. Really pretty. And here's kind of another, kind of that purpley color. So look how pretty that looks together. Yeah, this is really pretty paper. I don't know what paper this is, but it's really pretty. And then this rose one, I love that. I'm a sucker for like old, like invoice paper and certificates and postal stamp things. And then this beautiful image of this flower over here. And I even love the border. That's really cool. And then she has a pocket. Oh, this is really cool. There's a pocket and it's, she sewed it up on the sides. And it's just some sheet music. Yeah. This is really cool. I like that. Okay, and then she has a book page from The Secret Garden. It looks like it's underneath the words. So I wonder if she stamped it and then printed the words on here. And if that is the case, that's a really, really cool idea. Yeah, and then she has, so it's double-sided. So maybe it isn't. Maybe it's, I don't know. I don't know, Lynette. How did you do that? That is really cool that because I don't know if you can see, but the image is not on top. The image is actually on the bottom of the words. So yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, I really like that. And then there's another book page here from Huckleberry Finn. So that's cool. Look, it says Adventures of, and then it says Huckleberry Finn. That's really cool. And then there's another, God, there's so much in this kit, Lynette, so much. You were just too generous. Okay, and then this sheet music, more sheet music. And this is really cool. I saw this on her book, and this is really cool. It's like an old catalog of stamps, and I guess I got the Brazil page, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it's just a catalog. So it is a catalog page. You can kind of tell it's a little bit thinner, which I like. I like to have a lot of different textures in my junk journals, so I really like that. And then I got another sheet. I got a sheet with an H words. So, I have hurry. So I got the hurry. Oh, I got husband. That's so funny. I got husband and a hurt and hush. She was talking about how she was like, she got the word jail on the one she was doing in her video. She got the word jail, and I was cracking up because she's like, well, I hope I never have a memory of a jail that has to do with jail. That's cracking up. So if you haven't seen her latest video, I don't actually think she's posted a couple since then, but it was the one where she actually went and I'll link it down below, but it's really cute because it's like 45 minutes long, and it's basically like her just doing stuff with her kit. And it's really cool because I just sat there and watched her, and I was like, I felt like I was journaling with her. It was really cool. And then I'm not done yet, people. That is just this stuff right here. That's amazing, Lynette. This is so much. You get so much in these kits. Okay. And then you get this little, this one little thing. Baggie full of all of these cute little beads and buttons. Look how tiny these buttons are. That's so cool. Oh, they're like little flat beads. That's what they are. And then the purple little flowers on this beads. And then she's got some nice cording here where you can make a paper clip to go around the junk journal and hang out the side or out the bottom. And then she's got a nice little ribbon. And what she did with this one, which I thought was so cute, she tied it in a little bow and then stuck it on the end. So it dangled off out of the journal with the little bow on it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to do that. That actually, after she did that, I was like, after that video, I'm like, I need this kit in my life. So I'm so excited that I have it. Thank you, Lynette, for sending it to me. That was so generous of you to offer to send it to me. I really love it. So far, I love it. I haven't even touched the junk journal yet. Okay. And then, okay. Oh, I love these little baggies. Again, I love different textures in my journal, so I love these little baggies. But not only is it the little baggie, but then there's 2 little paper clips in here. And they're really nice, really shiny gold paper clips. And then she has another paper clip. There we go. It's just got a little poked a hole through the baggie. All right. And so then in this bag, she's just got some ribbon and some really pretty, like fuzzy, I know there's a word for this, but eyelash? I think it's called eyelash ribbon. I think that's what this is called. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so cool to touch. And then the little, another couple little pieces of ribbon, which is really cute. And then in this bag, wow, there's so much in this kit. She has a couple of flower die cuts, and she does show in one of her videos how she took these and she curls them, and then she sticks these little things on top. It kind of makes like a layered look with them. And then you can even put like a little button in the center to make it a really cute flower. And then with these ones, what she did was she took the journal, has the middle, has the ribbons in it. I mean the tails from where she sewed it together, and she stuck these onto one of them. I thought that was such a cute idea. Okay, and then she's got some buttons in here. Yeah, really, really super cute. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to put this all back, and then we'll open up the journal. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the journal. I'm so excited about this. Okay. I think I have it on. Nope, I have it the wrong way. Let me flip it over. Oh, it is the right way. Okay, good. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's so pretty. So obviously the kit is called Dreamer. I didn't tell you that already. Did I tell you that already? Yeah. It's Never Stop Dreaming. So it's the April Dreamer collection. Is what it's called. Wow. So on here, so let's just kind of walk through this. And she does a really good walkthrough on her channel, so I'm not going to take a lot of time to do this, but it's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Okay, so all of these little, she's just got all these in layered burlap, and then that pretty lilac ribbon. And she's got a little, I'm assuming that's a typewriter. I'm not sure, she printed that and then aged it up. And then I love the little safety pin on it. That's so cute. And then it's got some velvety ribbon right here. And then the whole thing is covered in this beautiful doily, fabric doily. That is just such a cool idea. And then of course it's stitched down the middle. And then she's got a little ribbon here to close it up with. And then when you open it, look at what she did here. These cool shapes that she made with the tea dye. And then here's another one of the book pages. So I'm just going to flip through this really quick. And one thing I like about this is that she didn't put a lot of stuff on the inside. So she gives you plenty of stuff to embellish it on your own, to make pockets and to do all sorts of stuff with it. And there's another piece of that. Oh, this is cool. She did like a little fold out. That's a really cute idea. And then she put a bag in the middle. Love the feel of that. And this pink paper with the, I don't know how she did that. And this tea dyeing on this, or coffee dyeing, is so pretty. Look how cool that looks. Just looks so like old and vintagey. And this is what I was talking about with the little hearts. So she put 2 little hearts in the bottom, so when they dangled out, they can add little hearts on there. And then this one also has another fold out. Yeah, this is really cool. I'm so happy I have this in my life. Yep. And some paper. I love that there's different sizes in here. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, she showed the what is this called? Oh, look, it's a pocket. How cute is that? Is it a pocket in the front too? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Look, you could totally like put a tag in there. I don't know if I knew that. That's so cool. You could totally stick a tag in there. All right, well, I actually think this is so pretty and you get so much stuff with it. Thank you so much again, Lynette, for sending it to me and letting me explore your kits. And I'm just so excited to work in this and to start journaling. So I really, really appreciate it. And so that is my happy mail I got from Lynette today from Cheaply Chic Boutique. If you're interested, again, I will go ahead and make sure I leave all of her links down below, including any videos that she has done for this journaling kit. And I thank you guys for watching. If you do go over and show her some love, please make sure you let her know that I sent you over there. Just say a quick comment and say Crystal says hi, or Happy to Plan says hi. And then if you do buy anything in her shop, just leave her a little note letting her know that I sent you over there. I'd really appreciate it, guys, because I want her to know that my community loves her just as much as I do. So please go show her some love. I'll see you again soon. Bye.